Well, hello everybody. Today we're going to look at the Samsers Foldable keypad. This is to be used for your tablet, for your smartphone. It can hook up to 3 different Bluetooth devices. All right, let me show you what it is. Okay. All right, here you have it, the Samsers full-size folding wireless keyboard. It will work with Windows, Android, iOS, Mac OS. It is Bluetooth. This is your charging cable. This is a really nice felt case or bag for it. This is used to hold your smartphone or your tablet. My smartphone has a thick case on it, so it doesn't sit very well on that. And so that brings us to this little beauty right here. First impressions are very nice. It feels well built. The outside is very soft. Okay, it's all right. It has that smudge-proof outside. Okay, there's your power button. There's your charge button. Now, as you open it, these hinges are awesome. I love them. They don't feel cheap. They feel very stiff. There it is. I love it. Okay, keyboard feels like any other normal full-size keyboard. All right. Okay, this is your mouse pad. You can connect it to 3 different Bluetooths. That one's mine. That's my wife's, and we haven't found a third one yet. Okay, that's for brightness, dimming, and sound, of course. All right. Otherwise, all the buttons are normal. Now, on your Bluetooth, you are trying to find Samsers KT06S. Okay, that's what you want. All right, I'm going to show you on an email what this is like. Okay, now I'm a one-fingered typist. I just always have been. Okay, so there I am on that. Okay, you can actually hear it. Okay, I mean, it works just like a normal keyboard. On your front, there's my mouse. Move it around. Let's go to National Park. Tap it. There it is. Okay. So there it is. Your Samsers full-size folding wireless keyboard. I like it. I use it. My wife likes it. She uses it. I mean, it's portable. It fits into this case or this bag really nice. Fits into your backpack, purse, what have you. I think from feeling it, from using it, it can hold up to a lot of use. And I want to thank them for sending it to me. I like this. So there you go. Take a look at it.